Hey guys, Gardenish, loading up the trailer. Gotta go get some things. We got some big projects this weekend. I am going to try and film as much of it as I can. For anyone that ever has any issue or questions about things, feel free to comment. Hopefully we do everything right the first time and don't have to backtrack. But let's head to the farm and home store and go get some drain tile for this trailer. Oh, I think I took the battery out. Did you put one in it?
Nope.
No, stay there. I'll go grab it. Okay, give you a visual here. There's our bird's eye view. Now, orange post to over here is an orange spot. There's a post back there. That's going to be one connex. And then there's going to be a space through here. And then here is where the other connex will be. Here It's a corner and a corner. They're 8 foot. So 2 8 foot by 20 containers, and then an open middle space that's going to have a roof on it. So there you go. He's getting somewhere, guys. He's getting somewhere. This is amazing. I love it. It's going to be great. Now we just have 2 headstones.
Okay.
Okay, you go now. Yeah. You guys didn't get to see that part because I shut the camera off. This full cap, you could tell, had a cold pour stress crack on it, which means that it started setting up and they put more concrete onto it to add to the width. Well, that's the back side. Oh well. So, another thing that happened just a little bit ago is we have this block. We're going to save this block for last because it has a jacked up edging on it. That's the back side. But this side would never match up to any other blocks. So we're just using that one last so we don't have to mess with it. Hey guys, so I realized after I was trying to do my final editing of the video of our project weekend that I didn't have a final picture or a goodbye or anything to y'all. So this is what that is. I want to just turn you around here in a second, show you what exactly we accomplished, what's left, and where we sit at now. and just let you guys know everything went great. We didn't really have any major problems. One issue we had was with the actual delivery driver himself, and the only thing I'm gonna tell y'all is be aware of who's delivering your equipment or anything large like these containers are. Make sure they are on their game, and if you do have any issues or you suspect something is wrong with that person, make it aware, and don't be afraid to contact their boss, their owners, whoever they're contracted with. Just make the people aware, because they may not be aware of what's going on. Anyway, with that being said, everything else turned out great. We were able to move these, Nick got these containers in place with that skid steer. I wasn't here for that. I had to leave and finish up some work in the office, and so he finished up and had them pretty much set where they needed to be by the time I got back. So if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to ask away in the comment section. Everything, like I said, went really smooth, and let's turn around and see what we got going on. First off, as you see it now, this roof will eventually happen between the two. We have a walkway between the barn and this box, so basically we will have a roof that'll go from the corner up here. We'll be able to have storage up top for any kind of lumber, stuff like that that needs to stay dry, and it'll end over here with a lean-to. And then I believe he's going to turn that into a pad for his air compressor, so that way it's outside but it's covered and enclosed, because the roof will be coming over and he'll just finish the sides up. So yeah, turned out really well. 2 20-foot by 8-foot containers with a roof eventually will give us so much more usable space out here on the side lot, and it will definitely be a freedom in the barn now, because so much more room in there, and we can actually do some of the things we want to do inside there. So anyway, thank you everyone for watching. If you have any questions or comments, definitely put them down below. I'll help out wherever I can, and yeah, everyone stay safe and have a great day.